Have you ever wondered why you get hiccups? Well, it's your inner fish. Let me explain. Hiccups are caused by the involuntary spasm of your diaphragm. Where did that come from? It's a vestige based on the evolutionary path from fish. Fish would breathe through gills, take in oxygen, and they had to have a way to control that. And that mechanism is still present in our DNA and some of our unconscious or innate muscles. And that causes these spasms under certain situations, and that causes the hiccups. So next time you're hiccuping, think about, it's just my inner fish, and I know how to fix this. For these and other tips, follow us at Dr. Tim's Aquatics.